Chief Minister of Assam Himanta Biswa Sharma had reviewed the Dikshant parade or passing out parade of 578 trainee officers in the rank of sub-inspectors of police, including 178 lady trainee officers belonging to Assam Police who had passed out of the North-Eastern Police Academy on their successful completion of the 50th batch of basic course. The passing out parade was held at the parade ground of the Northeast Police Academy campus at Umsaw village, RI-BHOI district, Meghalaya on the 6th of April 2022. The oath of office was administered by the director of the academy, Deepak KUMAR. Other dignitaries who attended the event included Assam's Director General of Police, BHASKAR JYOTI MAHANTA, high-ranking officials from Assam and Meghalaya, special invitees, relatives of trainee officers and staff of the Northeast Police Academy. Several awards were also given out to cadets who had excelled in certain fields. Cadet Sub-Inspector Barul Islam, who commanded the parade, was awarded with the Governor of Meghalaya's Sword of Honour and Nepa Silver Medal for being the all-round best cadet. Cadet Sub-Inspector Noor Neha Begum was awarded with the Chief Minister of Meghalaya Baton of Honour and Nepa Silver Medal for being best cadet in indoor subjects, while Cadet Sub-Inspector Biplab Goyen received the Chief Minister Arunachal Pradesh Baton of Honour and Nepa Silver Medal for being the best cadet in outdoor subjects. The B.R. Lal Academy Trophy and Nepa Silver Medal for exemplary conduct was backed by Cadet Sub-Inspector Mrityunjoy Singha. In his address, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma congratulated the young officers and distributed the trophies and medals awarded to the trainees for their individual performance during the training period.
The success of the basic training in the best possible manner amidst the day-to-day disruption caused by COVID-19 pandemic is reflected in the impressive turnout and a wonderful parade of the cadet sub-inspector here today. As we know, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, as the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of India, had envisaged a uniform pattern of police training for the whole country that led to the birth of magnificent Northeastern Police Academy, National Police Academy. The Northeastern Police Academy or the police academy spread across the country, and the young officers who have passed out today are products of that vision and foresight of this great statement. The Iron Man of India, Sardar Patel, while addressing the police force said, and I quote from an article published in the Free Press Journal, "Yours is the responsibility to maintain the prestige of the government and protect the honor of the citizen. It is not enough if you only detect crime and bring offenders to book. You must also try to win the affection of people. A police officer or a policeman who loses his head in handling a situation is not fit to be a member of the police force.